Hi guys, this is Sister Whispers here. Today we're gonna have another slime video. Remember to click the bell button and subscribe to the video. Make sure you like the channel ever. Make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel. Click to the red button or to the green button to watch our channel.
Okay, ready now, boom. Come on. We were supposed to do this slime, but we're gonna save this one for last, okay? Put that aside, pick out a slime.
I'm gonna pick the purple.
That one? Okay. That's it, no, that's it. Stop it. Ready?
Now how do you open this?
I'll open it for you.
Thanks. Today we're gonna use this slime. Ew, slimy. And we have this very soft slime.
Now keep it on the floor so it doesn't get dirty. Or, well, I mean, where? Go.
Slime.
Ready? Now we're going to do an ASMR. Don't talk. You can't hear it, I'm sorry. Okay, now pick out a different one. Not that one. Pick out that gold one right there. Down? The down one? No, not that one. Okay, the other side. Look, this one that has a little ball in it.
This one?
No, the one next to it. Yeah, that one.
This one?
Yep.
It's not sticky, right?
I don't think so.
Let's touch it.
It's a little bit sticky.
Ew, sticky, licky. Let's take the whole thing out. Come on. Ew, sticky.
I'm trying like my best.
Ew. Sissy Westy. It's two Sister Whispers here.
Okay, ready? We're gonna do an ASMR, so everyone, shh, don't talk.
This is sticky.
Yeah? What are you doing? Doing a YouTube video.
Are we done?
Yep, we are done.
I'm gonna pick another one.
Another one.
Yeah.
I don't even think I have any more. It's time for a finale, Mel.
What's a finale?
But you can't touch this one because it's really sticky, okay? Yeah, Schwan.
Oh, it looks pretty.
Don't touch it though. Ew. Look.
Ew.
Hey, Mom, move. Don't touch it. It's really, really sticky. It's really, really sticky.
My fingers are really close.
It's really sticky. Do you want your hand to get stuck in here?
My hand's very close. I don't know why my finger is very close.
See, this one's like my best one.
Huh?
It's like my best one.
It's like, I don't know why. I'm so
Okay, ready? Now we're going to do ASMR. Okay, well that's the end of this video. Say goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, and make sure you click the red button.
Subscribe button.
Subscribe button to our channel.
Yeah. Say bye, guys.
Bye.